So this question says that so our x is a normal distribution with a mean of 50 and standard deviation of 2, that means variance of 2 squared. So the probability, I'm not focusing on this, everyone should be able to do this question over here, and the answer should be 0.668. You can pause the video and try to do it and see if you can find it. Now I'm going straight to this question over here. It's saying that find a weight that is exceeded by 99% of the bags. That means if 99% of the bags exceed, they are more than this weight, that means that weight should be over here on this direction, on this side over here. That should be the weight that I'm calling it A. So we are saying that probability that X is greater than a value A is equal to 99%. That means that weight A just leaves an area of just 1% over here. An area of just 1% over there. And all of this is the 99. Now, why am I emphasizing this area that's left 1%? Because remember what we talked about in one video about the percentage points, that this is a good probability that's left over here. Instead of going into the 5 values, the probability values, and just look randomly for the area of 99, we can use what we call the percentage points. We can look at the percentage points. So we are going to look for the z value that creates an area of 99%. That means looking for the phi inverse of 0.99. Look for the phi inverse of this 0.99. This will give us the z value that creates the percentage of 99. And remember, this is the negative, so we cannot find a negative. We cannot find a negative because it's probably negative over here because it's on the left. That means we're going to find a value which is in the positive, which in that case will be like negative A. If A is negative over here, of course, negative A will be the positive value. So this is our 0 over here. So we go in the percentage point table. I'll open it here. So you get a chance to use this percentage points. If the area, it always gives you this point, this value over here. It always gives you the area. If I have my Z curve over here, if this can draw it, right? It always gives you this area left over here. It always gives you this area left over here. So the area you have over there is 1% in the equation. The area you have in the equation is 1%. So this percent point will give us the area, which is 1%. Where is the 1% over here? So which is 0.01, something like this. Our percentage points, you have seen that the z value over here is 2.3263. That means we go back to our standardized. How was the z value got? Because they got A minus the mean, which is 50, over the standard deviation, which is 2, and equal the z value, which is 2.3263. But remember one thing. We say that this A over here is on this side over here, is on the left hand side. That means the z value is supposed to be a negative value. So this is a negative value. And then you can make A the subject, and then your A is equal to 45.34. That means this is the weight exceeded by 99% of the bags. Hope this is helpful.